Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to ZTE Blade A71. Begin by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue, allow, and in this window, not now if you wish to, and finally, OK. Then do exactly the same on ZTE. Open, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. OK. Finally, choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and Receive over here on ZTE smartphone. Then tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories and click on Send next to Selected. This way you will be able to choose all of those files and then transfer them. It will take a long time though, so I will only go with this one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got it. Now on ZTE, click on the best option for you, choose Close this window and pick one of those connection ways. You can scan this QR code by selecting this scanning icon next to input key, choosing while using or only this time, and pointing your camera at the code. But you can also input this key over here instead and click on Receive. Now after a while, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!